In this video, I'm going to be telling you everything that you need to know about the AliExpress affiliate program, how you can actually use it to earn money with it. Hey, hello, my name is Ana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be telling you everything about the AliExpress affiliate program. And just in case that you are not sure, because I know that by now AliExpress is really popular because the prices are really affordable. Most people use it just for dropship. Dropship and affiliate program is way different. Dropship is when you don't have this product physically. Let's say that you don't have this mini light physically, but you set up your own store, you're taking payments, processing payments, you're dealing with customers, and you pay, in this case, AliExpress, so they are going to ship the product to their final customers. That's basically drop shipping. With affiliate marketing is something super different because the only thing that you're going to be doing is recommending other people products. In this case, it's going to be physical products from AliExpress, but you don't deal with customer service. You don't ship the product. Okay. You don't deal with any kind of tech support, refunds. Is there any refunds? Okay. You are literally just telling people like, hey, I like this like because of this or this or this. Use the link, whatever, and you can get it. That's it. That's the only thing you're going to be doing. So now that we understand what's the difference, let me share with you my screen because there are tips that I want to share with you. Okay, first of all, I'm pretty sure that by now everybody knows about AliExpress, but just in case that you're brand new to this website, you don't have any kind of ideas. Well, if this is a website we can find really affordable physical products. They do have several categories. For example, you can find furnitures, products like in the beauty and health niche, toys. You can find products for your pets. You can find for your products from your home and gardening, women's clothes, men's clothes. Okay, there is a lot of products that you can actually find here and as a really affordable price. For example, we have this one here for 99 cents. We have this one here for 25 cents. Not, sorry, not 25 cents, $25. Okay, so that's why a lot of people who are using dropshipping use this because the prices are really affordable and the profit margins are really high. But you need to take into consideration that the products, most of them, although AliExpress, by the time recording this video, have different warehouse, most of them are shipped from China. Okay, so they take some time. Okay, so I used to do drop shipping. That's the reason why I'm really familiar with it. I'm not gonna tell you that it's not something that is doesn't work. It do work, but you need to have a huge budget because the only thing that is gonna be working is if you run pay ads. Okay, I have to be 100% transparent with it. Okay, in my case, I started when I have two full-time jobs. It didn't work the way I wanted, although I was investing and I was earning money because at the end of the time, I have to hire two people. Because remember, with drop shipping, in my case, I was taking or, I was processing the payments. So sometimes people were asking for a tracking number. Sometimes people were wondering, like, everything about the product. So, and I had two full-time jobs. So definitely it's not something that I recommend for a beginner. I prefer to go with affiliate marketing. That's a way I actually was able to replace not one but two full-time jobs. Okay. So in order to be an affiliate, one really cool thing that I like is the fact that this is an affiliate program that is literally open for everybody. Okay. They do have, by the time recording this video, over 150 million products that you can promote. You can earn up to 9% commissions. Okay. Here we have, for example, here like up to 90% of for hot products, 200 plus supported countries and regions. So that's something that I really like because, everybody can have the opportunity to actually join. And you're going to be earning commissions from orders you bring to AliExpress by joining the AliExpress affiliate program. Okay. Literally, You are going to be getting commission by telling them like, hey, I like this product, doing recommendations. I'm going to show you how you are actually going to be able to do that in a moment. Okay. And you are actually going to be able to do. They give you everything. They give you an exclusive code. They give you a plenty of sales teams and banners, your own tracking link, which is going to be your affiliate link. Uh, the system helps affiliate publishers grow, like build promo skills, gain exclusive benefits as you grow. It's easy to use. The platform that you have, it's really intuitive. It's simple to track everything step by step. If you want to have your own store, which I don't recommend because you're going to be doing affiliate marketing, you can have your own affiliate API. Okay. You're going to have everything, including the fact that you can actually contact and specialist by using this email here. Okay. Super simple steps. You can choose a product and get a tracking link. You can promote products in multiple channels, which are different social networks if you want it that way. I'm going to be talking about the channels in a moment. The more traffic you bring, the more opportunities you have to make a sale. And by telling you that you're gonna be getting the sale, it's not that you're gonna be making the sale. Okay, those are two different things. Remember that you're gonna be doing a recommendation and you're gonna be getting a commission. AliExpress affiliate and partner channels, for example, if you're an influencer, that's good. If you have a group, it can be on WhatsApp, Telegram. If you like to create content on blog sites, if you have a coupon site, if you have a deal site, if you can promote AliExpress products through corporate with multiple sites and channels. You can have also a reward cashback site, and you can promote AliExpress there. You can also highlight prices comparison between AliExpress and different and similar websites. May like for example, a lot of people prefer to go with AliExpress because the prices are really affordable. And if you go, for example, with Amazon, the prices are a little bit higher. Also, with Amazon, the commission is usually up to 5%. There are some categories in which you can earn a little bit more. So I can tell you that, you are going to have like higher commissions, percentage wise in AliExpress. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, if you want to learn, just click here where it says join. Okay. Everybody can join as long as you have an online presence, not only on social media. Okay. So that's something that you need to take into consideration. You can choose the products that you would like to promote. You can track this with your tracking link. Okay. And it's actually super simple. My recommendation is that you are actually going to be creating in a small system. Okay. And you are going to be talking about a specific niche. Okay. Or in this case, in a specific categories. Okay. So because sometimes it can be harder, especially if you're getting started, if you start talking about everything. But at the end of the day, that's just my recommendation based on my experience, like trying to find a group of raving fans. And those are the ones that you're going to be targeting. But you can actually promote this like this guy here. Uh, this is his TikTok account and he promote you know AliExpress and Amazon products both on this account. I prefer just to go with one. And sometimes he shows his face, sometimes he doesn't show his face, and he is just recommending people the products that he actually bought from Amazon, from TikTok. He do have a lot of videos here. You can actually do that the same. Okay, so another important thing is that if you are just getting started, you don't know what's the product you have to promote. Like, which criteria do you have to go with. You don't know how to send on drive traffic. You want to maximize your earning. I suggest you to go with the very first thing in the description so you can have all the ins and outs and you can really have, a profitable a business with affiliate marketing. As I told you before, if you do it right, you can replace not one, but actually you can replace, in my case, I was able to replace two full-time jobs. So if you're really interested, check the link below. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.